long time. He was rejected and remained silent. But now he shall conceal himself no longer, and the world will witness manifestations of his power, the likes of which their forefathers never saw. This will come to pass because the earth has been corrupted, and people have lost faith in the Creator of the heavens and the earth. They pay lip service to him, but their hearts are estranged from him. That is why God has declared that now he will create a new heaven and a new earth. This means that the earth has perished, that is, the hearts of the people of the earth have so hardened as if they are dead. The face of God has become hidden from them, and heavenly signs of the past were all reduced to myth and legend. Thus, God has decreed to create a new heaven and a new earth. What is this new heaven? And what is this new earth? A new earth means those pure hearts that God is preparing with his own hand, which will be manifested by him, and through whom God will be manifested. A new heaven means those signs which are being shown by his command at the hand of his servant.
دموعي تفيض بذكر فتن أنظر.
A blind person is one who is bereft of spiritual insight and pleasure. A person who blindly follows the practices of their family just because they are born into a Muslim household is called a Muslim. Similarly, a person who is born to a Christian family becomes a Christian. This is the very reason that such people give no regard to God, the Messenger, or the Quran. Even the love such people possess for religion is questionable. Some remain in the company of those who act insolently towards God and his Messenger. This is wholly due to the fact that such people do not possess a spiritual eye. They are empty of love for religion. Does a person who is full of love desire anything that is at odds with the liking of their beloved? Hence, Allah the Almighty teaches that He is prepared to bestow His bounties if a person is prepared to receive them. The offering of this supplication prepares one to receive divine guidance.
I shall pause thy message.
Excellence of spiritual rank is because of his virtues, not because of priority in time. Islam possesses superiority over all creation due to his spiritual excellence, his elegance and grace, and his majesty, and his ever fresh and spiritually refreshing heart and soul. saw him sparkle like a pearl. May Allah bless you, O leader of the world. You rank the highest and are the bravest leader of the brave.
शम्सुल हुदा जिसका ज़हूर उन पर हुआ ता करे उनको भी रोशन ये रुखे अनवर तेरा या रब्बी सल्ली।
Then, O son of guidance, the holy prophet, you rose on the horizon for their benefit, so that you may illuminate them with the divine light emanating from your glowing face.
من ذكر وجهك يا حديقة بهجتي لم أخلو في لحظ ولا في ياني ऐ मेरे बाग़े मुसर्रत मैं तेरे रुख पर फिदा एक लम्हा भी नहीं दिल याद से तेरी जुदा या रब्बी सल्ली।
Oh, my garden of spiritual delights, I am ever so absorbed in your fond thoughts and from the remembrance of your blessed face. I am not free, even for a moment or a split second.
नबी कदा